Every person has a painful story, and every painful story has a success. So therefore, accept the pain and you will find success. With this exciting and interesting thought, let's begin our class today. Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Okay, today we'll be doing a poem. Okay, before I start the poem, let's discuss certain things. How do you feel early in the morning? Yes, we feel very fresh. And what do you do most of the time in the early morning, or what do your parents do? Yes, you find many people moving around in the colony. That is, they go out for a morning walk. Do you go in the morning for a walk? Yes, I go for a morning walk early in the morning. So, how do you find the climate around you? It's very, how it is? It's very noisy. You feel very pleasant. You feel refreshing early in the morning. What do you hear? Yes, we hear the birds chirping in the morning. Early morning you hear so many birds chirping and all. So, can you name some birds that you find in the morning? So, name some birds that you usually see. What do you see? What is this? This is a peacock. What is this? It's a parrot. What is this? It's an owl. What are these? Parrots. What is this? It's a sparrow. What is this? It's an eagle. What is this? It's a jay. It's a crane. And what is this? This is a crow. So, we find different kinds of animals. We find different kinds of animals moving around in our colony. So, today we are going to learn a poem about the rooks. So, what do you mean by the word rooks? Rooks are a kind of bird that belong to the crow family. That is, it's a crow. So, today our lesson is about the rooks. Written by Jane Euphemia Brown. The poet of this poem, The Rooks, is Jane Euphemia Brown. Okay, students, now get ready for the poetry. Open your literature textbooks to page number 41. It's about the rooks. So, always we are just reciting the poem. So, today we'll take it in a different way. Let's sing a song. Is it clear? So, this poem, I am going to sing a song. You have to repeat along with me. Is that clear? Are you ready? Yes. The rooks. The rooks are building on the trees. They build there every spring. Caw, caw is all they say, for none of them can sing. They are up before the break of day and up till late at night, for they must labor busily as long as it is light. And many a crooked stick they bring, and many a slender twig, and many a tuft of moss until their nests are round and big. Caw, caw, oh what a noise they make in rainy weather. Good children always speak by turns, but rooks all talk together. So this is the poem, The Rooks. Now, what are we talking about? We are talking about the rooks. What do you mean by the word rooks? Rooks means large black birds of crow family. So who are building nest on the trees? It is the rooks. Rooks are building their nest on trees. And when do they build up this nest? They build up the nest in every spring season. In every spring season, the crows build up their nest. What do they all say? They all say caw caw. That is the only word they can say because they are not good singers. Like they are not good singing birds. So only they can say only one word, that is what? Cow, cow. So they can't sing. Nobody can sing. None of the crows can sing. They are up before the break of day and up till late at night. So what kind of birds are these crows? Crows are very hardworking. As soon as it is in the morning, they are the first ones to wake up. And what do they all say? They all say cow, cow. And hearing this, we all get up from our bed. So throughout the day, as long as there is light, the crows keep on working. They are very hardworking. They are busy throughout the day. Have you ever seen a crow simply sitting in a corner or simply sitting on a branch? No. They always be looking here and there. They fly here. They fly from one branch to another branch, from one tree to another tree. They'll always be looking here and there. So what do? They must labor busily as long as it is light. So they wake up early in the morning and they work throughout the day. They are busy working throughout the day. They are very hardworking. So during the day, they start collecting things. And many a crooked stick they bring and many a slender twig. What do? Whatever the things are required to build up the nest, they go in search of those. What do they bring? They bring crooked sticks. What do you mean by the word crooked sticks? Crooked sticks are those which are bent. They don't go for the straightened ones. They go for sticks which are bent, which are crooked in shape. Okay. And they also bring slender twigs. What do you mean by the word slender twigs? Which are thin and narrow. Okay. So why are they collecting all these things? They are collecting all the things so that they can build up a nest. And many a tuft of moss until their nests are round and big. They go on collect things. They go on collect things till their nest is totally built up. And what is the shape of the nest? The shape of the nest is round. Till they get this round shape, they will go on collecting things and they go on build up their nest. Caw, caw, oh what a noise they make in rainy weather. Always throughout the day they make the noise and they try to collect the things. Good children always speak by turns but rooks all together. So what do the crows do? They all shout at a time. But do you shout, children? No. Good students, they speak in turns. Say for example, when a teacher asks one question. So what do you all do? You all shout, ma'am, I. But you should not speak. Good children will never shout at a time. They speak in turns. Ma'am, can I speak? So the teacher gives her a chance to speak. And next time to another child. So in this way, good children always speak in turns. But whereas the crows, what do? They all shout at a time. So you people are all good children, isn't it? You always speak in turns. So this is about the poem, The Rooks. Now in detail, I am going to explain you in other class.